Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Drift for lead capture UI chat setup, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Drift for lead capture UI chat setup, begin by navigating to the Drift website. Click on the Get Started button available on the homepage. You will be redirected to a registration form. Fill in the required fields, including your name, business email, and password. Ensure that your password meets the security requirements. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. Once registered, you will receive a confirmation email. Open the confirmation email and click on the verification link provided. After verification, log into your Drift account using your credentials. You will be taken to the Drift dashboard. Explore the dashboard and locate the Settings option. Click on Settings to configure your account preferences. Find the Chat section within the Settings menu. Click on Chat to start setting up your chat widget. Select the appearance and position for your chat widget. Customize colors, greetings, and messaging to reflect your brand identity. Adjust the settings for lead capture, including the information you wish to collect. Save your settings once you are satisfied with the customizations. Next, access the installation section for integration instructions. Choose the platform you are using for your website. Follow the provided code instructions to integrate the Drift chat widget. After implementation, return to the Drift dashboard to monitor chat performance. Engage with visitors through the dashboard and assess lead capture effectiveness. Make adjustments to settings as needed based on performance analytics. Your Drift setup for lead capture UI chat is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.